Hi! Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Winilyn Kahanap, Lynn for short. I'm 41 years old, married, blessed with 3 kids. Their age is 15, 14, and 2 years old. My height is 160 centimeters and my weight is 60 kilograms. I am high school graduate. My working experience is in Saudi Arabia for 5 years, Qatar for 1 year. I have experience taking care of baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, and cooking some Filipino food and Arabic food. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and can easy to follow recipe given to my employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow instruction. Thank you and have a nice day.